Hey drone friends, this is Adam at UAV Coach and Drone Pilot Ground School. Happy Friday and welcome to our Drone Weekly News Roundup. I have 3 stories to share with you this week. Our first story will cover major news from the Commercial UAV Expo in Vegas. Our next story talks about AgEagle launching the eBee Vision drone. And finally, we'll show you some amazing drone footage of the Dolomites in Italy. Also, here are some job listings in the drone industry this week for anyone interested. Atlantic Exposure is looking for a real estate drone photographer in Dover, Delaware. Sunny Skies Media is seeking an aerial photographer in Page, Arizona. Cyberhawk has an opening for a UAS pilot in Sacramento, California. And if you're looking for freelance opportunities, Villa Pick is hiring a freelance real estate videographer and photographer in Cleveland, Ohio. With that said, let's fly in. The UAV Coach team had an amazing time attending the Commercial UAV Expo in Las Vegas this year. Here are the biggest stories from the event. Sony launched the ILX LR1 camera for commercial drone use. The camera looks to be super compact and boasts an incredible 61 megapixel full frame sensor. Aerial Vehicle Safety Solutions, ANRA Technologies, and Flightbase won the Pitch the Press event. Brink's Director of Technology, Gino Basilota, spoke at the conference's SUAS Manufacturer Showcase about capacities, remote ID, and beyond. Additionally, the Commercial UAV Expo offered a new session this year called the Advanced Airspace Summit to discuss where the industry is today, how the technology will evolve, what regulatory changes will likely be necessary, and what challenges the industry will face related to passenger expectations and public acceptance. Our next story talks about how the eBee drone series, originally made by SenseFly, has now been acquired by AgEagle. The drone series was known for mapping and surveying, and they have a new addition called the eBee Vision. During its development phase, the eBee Vision received input and positive feedback from special forces in both the US and Europe. As a result of this collaboration, AgEagle has engineered the eBee Vision's ground control system to feature a high-end user interface tailored to meet defense and public safety requirements. Here are some of the other standout specs from the drone. It has high-resolution video imagery, powerful thermal observation capabilities, 32x zoom, weighs 3.5 pounds or 1.6 kilograms, is NDAA compliant, has a transmission range of 12 miles, and can be deployed in only 3 minutes. And finally, here's some incredible drone footage of the Dolomites in northeastern Italy shot by David Zalka. The Dolomites get their name from the carbonate rock dolomite, which has a pale color and lands the mountains their nickname, Pale Mountains. The footage in this video was shot on the DJI Mavic Air 2 and a custom FPV drone Zalka built, which he flew along with the DJI goggles and the GoPro Hero 8 Black. In regards to filming the video, Zalka says, "I'm rather a cinematic type than a freestyle, so I knew I had to climb those Italian Alps, the Dolomites, and dive those mountains. I've personally been wanting to visit this mountain range for a while, and after seeing this amazing footage, it makes me want to go even more." All right, that's all we have for this week. As always, check out the links below to read more about each story. Also, show us some love by subscribing to our channel and liking this video. And now I'll pass it off to you. What do you think about some of the news from the Commercial UAV Expo? And what about that amazing footage of the Dolomites? Comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. I hope you all have a great weekend, and to all of our drone pilots out there, blue skies and safe flying.